So, a very good afternoon to my respected teacher and my all dear friends. First of all, I would like to begin in the name of Allah, is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Secondly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sana and I'm the student of class 11th. And today we all are having a debate on a very disputable, amazing and the most stupendous topic, and that is about the schools, that the government schools are better or the private schools are better. So I'm in the favor of private schools, as I know the importance of the private schools, and in my approach private schools are far better than the government schools. So I'm going to tell you some reasons behind it, that why we all are favoring the private schools, as my teammates have already told you some points and some reasons that why we all are favoring the private schools, as they have told you about the discipline, punctuality, regularity and all. In the private school these things we get. So the very first thing, besides these reasons, the very first thing which I would like to mention, that is about the negligence. You know what? There is nothing but negligence in the government schools. Whenever we go to the schools, so what happens there? In the government schools, sometimes teachers do not come. Sometimes students are not regular. Means sometimes students are also not punctual. Just these kind of things take place in the government schools, and there is no discipline, as somebody was mentioning about the discipline also. Yeah, Bushra was mentioning about the discipline, that we also get discipline in the government schools. Yeah, sister, I agree with you that we get discipline in the government schools as well, but to some extent, not to the whole extent we get the discipline in the government school. If we compare them, both of them, so in the private schools obviously and definitely will get more discipline in the private school students. And the next thing which I would like to answer, the cap, he was mentioning about the cramming, that the students cram the things when in the private schools students cram the whole exam. So for your kind information, it is up to the student that who cram. I am unable to cram. In my school, when I was in the private school at that time, I also got the opportunity to cram, but I didn't cram because I was unable to cram the things. So it is up to the students who is unable to cram and who want to cram. So do not mention this thing. That's it.
Thanks. So should I start? What? Okay. Hello everyone. Hello. I am Rehan, and today, as we all know, that we are doing debate on a very crucial, magnificent and indispensable topic, which is schools. Government schools versus private schools. So which school is better? So in my approach, government schools are more better than the private schools, because there are many important reasons and logic behind it. Firstly, I want to tell to my opponent, Miss Sana, that private schools are more expensive than the government schools. Okay, nice, nothing, what to me. But however, they are not providing the good education. There is no any highly educated teacher. Now what the hell is this? When you're taking the money, then give just some good education. Why are you not giving? Now if I talk about the teachers, so in the private schools there is no any highly educated teacher, and if someone is there, so they don't care of them. And yeah, if I talk about the government school, so everyone is highly educated teacher in the government schools in the Delhi. And yeah, if someone is not highly educated, if someone is not if someone has not that much knowledge, so there is a name of the Aam Aadmi, means Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal is making them trend of the extreme level. And for becoming a teacher of the government, what should we do? What we have to do? We have to clear the CTET exam and then DSSB exam for becoming a primary teacher. And for the becoming a private teacher, just a application and just some bribe. Now what would you like to tell about this?
As you are mentioning about the highly education, that teachers are highly educated in the schools. So one thing I would like to know here, that let me know one thing, that why the government teachers also send their child to the private schools. Why do they send? Mostly teachers send their child to the private schools because there is more education, highly education in the private school than the government school. That's why they send their students to the private schools. So get this thing also. And next I will.
Yeah, she was mentioning she was mentioning about the teachers, that they are what we call, sir, they are sending their children in the private schools. You know, it's their tendency that they think that private schools are more better than the government schools. Shut up. And yeah, if we talk about the teachers, parents, you know, in the Delhi per year 2.6 lakh students are moving their schools from private to government. And yeah, parents are making them move. They are not moving. Why? Because government schools are more better than the private schools.
As you are saying about the students are moving to the government schools from the private schools in the Delhi. So what about the other states? In the Delhi, just in the Delhi it is happening. The government of the Delhi is good. That's why the government schools are improving day by day. They are progressing. That's why their parents are sending their children to the private schools. What about the UP? Have you ever seen the condition of the UP's government schools? You didn't see. That's why you are saying this thing.
Yeah. So finally she was saying about the Delhi, that why are not saying to the every state like UP. So you know, I'm not saying to the UP. I would like to tell about the world. You are living in the world. That's why I'm telling about the world. You know, in the world, just there are 25% students who are learning in the private, where 75% in the government schools, not in the private. Why? Because government schools are more better than the private. And yeah, listen about the India, in the whole India, you know, there are just 34.47% students who are learning in the private schools. Now if I talk about the Delhi, so there are just 15 lakh students out of 1 crore students. There are just 15 lakh who are learning in the private. Why? Because of the education. Yeah.
As you are saying that in the India, most of the people are studying in the government school. So it is because of the poverty. As you were also mentioning about the poverty, that poor people cannot take the admission in the private schools. So here I would like to say one thing, that for gaining something we'll have to lose something. So for gaining the better education in the private schools, we'll have to lose our money. We'll have to give money for that. We'll have to pay for that. So in the return of that, you will get a better education. And next thing which I would like to talk about, privatization. You were talking about the whole world. In the whole world, there is government schools. So for your kind information, those countries which are the most developed countries like America, UK and all, so those all have the privatization. Have you ever thought the reason behind it, why they promoted the privatization? Because the privatization directly shifts the focus of the of the political goals to economic goals. It promotes the growth of the GDP and all. So just get this thing also, privatization is the most important thing for developing a country.
Okay. Are you teaching me economics? Are you teaching me economics?
Teaching you.
So why are we talking about the GDP? We are just talking about the education, not about the USA. And you know, yeah, what would you like to tell about the handicapped and the disabled students? We all are just seeing normal students like he, like me, like she. We are not seeing to the disabled students. Now what would you like to tell about that? Give me first.
As you are saying about I'm teaching you economics. I'm not teaching you economics. I'm just telling one thing, that GDP is increased by the privatization. As you are talking about the handicapped students, so there are some institutes as well, and they will be better educated by the private schools. They will be better educated. In the government schools as well, they are not focused this much as you are saying.
You know, you were talking about some institutes that which are better private what?
Which are better for the handicapped students.
Yeah, which are better for the handicapped students. They that all are private. Is it? You know, do you know about the NIPID? Don't know. You don't know because you are in the private schools. You know, there is a NIPID college which is in the Noida sector 18, and you know, my sister is also studying there, and it is government, and there is just handicapped students like you. There are just handicapped students who are learning there, and it is government. It is India's number one institute. And yeah, if I talk about the school for the normal human, like normal childrens, so Rajki Vidyalayas, you are also studying in the Rajki Vidyalayas like B2, like C2. It is on the first rank in the India, not private school. However, you are supporting to the private school.
see, as you're talking about the Noida, I know about that. I didn't know about the NIPID. I know about that. That is government. But what I'm saying, you didn't listen actually what I'm saying. I'm saying that in the private schools, there are some private schools for the handicapped students as well, and those students are more focused than the government. But what we'll have to pay for that? We will have to pay for that. It is. I agree with this thing that we'll have to pay. But in the return of that thing, we'll get a better education there also. So get this thing. And next thing which I would like to tell about, that as my all opponents have told you the reasons that why private schools are better. So on the whole and in the conclusion, I just want to say only one thing, that the private schools are better. And now I hope you all understand these all facts about the private schools, and now you can understand. And now if you don't understand, even now if you don't understand this thing, that what are the importance of the private schools, so it is not my fault. That's it.